Hello, I'm Mitzi from You Pull and Pay. What is You Pull and Pay? You Pull and Pay is a self-serve used auto parts store with stores throughout the country. Each store displays thousands of vehicles on stands, arranged in rows, and separated by manufacturer. Customers bring their own tools, pull their own parts, and save tons of money. We want to show you just how easy it is to pull parts from our vast inventory of vehicles. Anyone can do it. Check out this video to learn how to safely and correctly remove the part and learn which tools you'll need to get started. Welcome to You Pull and Pay's How-To video series.
Hello, my name is David and this is You Pull and Pay. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to dismount a 2005 Dodge Neon taillight. First step in the process is removing this carpet area by taking out this black clip. You can just pop it out, it doesn't screw in. Okay, to properly dismount this taillight, there are 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. And then there are 2 electrical lines that you'll have to unplug once you get the bolts. Once the 3 are removed, you can gently pull the headlamp out. And then there's 2 wires that are connected. You just disconnect them by twisting and pulling out. And see the light bulb stays. And this is a 2005 Dodge Neon You Pull and Pay tail lamp.